बात करेंगे कराची एक्सपो सेंटर में आइडियाज़ 2024 का नुमाइश का अहतमाम इफ्ताही तकरीब से वज़ीर दिफा ख्वाजा आसिफ ने खिताब करते हुए कहा, पाकिस्तान एक जिम्मेदार रियासत होने के नाते बैनुल-अक़वामी अमन इस्तेहकाम के लिए अपना किरदार अदा करने में पुरअज़्म है।
Pakistan, being a responsible state, is always committed to play its role for international peace, stability and order. Regional cooperation and active engagement of regional players has become imperative, particularly to achieve regional peace, security and socio-economic development. We believe in meaningful dialogue on the basis of equality, not only to resolve bilateral issues, but also to give chance to peace and harmony in our region. Pakistan's defense industry has now reached the threshold of quality and reliability wherein its products are competing in the international defense market.